XLM, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to my last analysis, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy, but we mentioned we need to see the reversal with a sharp move, but this is what we get, corrective move. Okay, that's why we didn't have any trade setup and the price drop. Now we want to see how we can look for chart. Still, we can consider this one as a flat in relative to this. That's when we can get one more up or not. Anyway, we start with daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, the price broke the previous top, but it couldn't break. Now the question is whether this one can turn to similar to any of this. This means we will be within this corrective move as a channel. It's not the corrective. When we see the corrective, we just referring based on daily chart, okay? Or we can get the correction from here and continuation. Anyway, that's why if we want to look for buy based on 1 hour chart, we need to be careful that what we are buying at the top of the structure based on daily chart, okay? We move to forward chart. Based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we get the corrective move here. We want to see whether we can get one move, we can get the more complex correction or not. And even based on the forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. The best things is we refer to 1 hour chart. That's why we mentioned if we get any reversal from here, still we will be more interested to look for buy. With any sharp flag, we take the trade. With the breakout of desktop, we have to start to manage. Okay, having entry above this can be an option because the price didn't break the previous low, almost take. Okay, but we need to know that having entry above desktop can be really risky because as I show based on daily chart, we are at the top of the structure. We don't want to buy the price tag and then drop. Why? Because still we can consider this one as a flat. It can turn to flat or deeper correction for one more drop. And if we get one more drop, as I explained based on daily chart, this one can turn to a deeper correction. Okay, that's why if anyone wants to have entry above this, what we want the price sharply tag, break, and continue the price tag. We see it's not moving even within the first hour. We take out the trade. We don't stay with the trade. Okay, we should know made this one turn either to a deeper correction or flat for price to drop. Anyway, still we don't have any trade setup, any reversal with a if we get any reversal as a trade setup for buy, this is what we're looking for. The only times we can look for sell if this one turn to a deeper correction, it give us a confirmation for price to drop. Okay, since we don't have it yet. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, any trade setup, I will share. But right now, we cannot do anything because we don't have any trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. Thanks.